Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to install and log in the Instagram app on your laptop or PC in a few easy steps. Let's get started. How to install Instagram on your computer or laptop? There are two easy ways to install the Instagram app. Visit the official website. Go to instagram.com. From there, you can download and install the app directly. Option 2. Use the Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store from your computer search bar, search for Instagram and install the apps for there. Once the app is installed, open it. You can log in using your phone number, username or email and enter your password. That's it. Your account will be logged in. This is how you can easily install and log in your Instagram on your computer or laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.